Today I am going to discuss about flag pattern. Flag pattern is a continuation pattern. Actually, I have been creating the videos for the chart pattern for number of Saturdays, and today I am going to discuss about a flag pattern. And this is the types of continuation pattern. This is the first type, that is flag pattern. So we understand what is flag pattern. Before moving further, please press the like button and comment below what do you know about flag pattern. It looks like a small rectangular channel that slopes against the prevailing trend, just like this. This is the type. This is the flag pattern. Okay. Appears after a strong price movement. This is the strong price movement. This is the flagpole. Indicates a brief consolidation before the trend resume. Before the trend resume, again uptrend. This is the strong consolidation, and we usually exit from our share. But this is we should not exit. And when we understand and we identify this pattern now, this will be game changer for all of you. What happens? The share price is uptrend. From here, due to selling pressure, it starts falling down. From here, there is support. Again, moving upside, there is resistance moving down. When you draw a trend line from resistance as well as support, and you will get the picture like this. This is the flag picture. Okay. And when breakout gives you, this is the confirmation point that the trend will be continue, and your chart will be look like this. Okay. This was the uptrend. This is the flag pattern, and this is breakout. So I think it must be clear to all of you. If you have any query, please put your query in the comment below. This was the bullish flag. Actually, flag patterns are two types of flag pattern. One is bullish flag and second is bearish flag. This is bearish flag. Share price is in downtrend. You can see here downtrend. From here, there is support. Share price moving upside, again moving down, and when you draw a trend line, it will look like this. So this is the bearish flag pattern, and here you can see this is the breakout candle. So this was the flag pattern. In next Saturday, I will discuss about pennant pattern. That's all from my side. If you found this video useful, please share this video to all your friends. And if you are serious and if you want to learn from me about the stock market, please WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is in description box. Thank you so much.